Hey there, fellow content creators. Are you looking to start a faceless YouTube channel, but aren't sure where to start? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we're going to give you 10 profitable faceless YouTube channel ideas that will help you get started on your journey to becoming a successful content creator. 1. Luxury. Are you someone who loves the finer things in life? Consider starting a luxury channel. One example of a successful luxury channel is Build Empire. They showcase high-end real estate, luxury cars, and other indulgent products and services. Their content is focused on showcasing the most luxurious and extravagant properties around the world, as well as providing insights into the world of luxury lifestyle and business. Build Empire started their YouTube channel in 2019 and has since amassed over 200,000 subscribers and 25 million total views. According to reports, Build Empire makes an estimated $50,000 per month through their YouTube channel, through a combination of ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With the rise of aspirational content and the popularity of influencers, there's never been a better time to start a luxury channel and tap into the high-end market. 2. Education. If you have a passion for teaching and sharing knowledge, starting an education channel may be the perfect fit for you. One successful example is Economics Explained, a channel that focuses on explaining complex economic concepts in an easy-to-understand way. Economics Explained was started in 2012 by a team of economists and content creators. Their content covers a wide range of topics, including macro and microeconomics, finance, and global economic trends. As of March 2023, Economics Explained has over 2.1 million subscribers and over 219 million total views. While it's difficult to know exactly how much a YouTube channel like Economics Explained makes each month, according to Social Blade, their estimated monthly earnings range from $2,100 to $34,200. With the ever-increasing demand for quality educational content, there's never been a better time to start an education channel. Whether you're an expert in economics, science, history, or any other field, there's an audience waiting to learn from you. 3. Sports. If you're a sports enthusiast, consider starting a sports channel. One successful example is Golden Hoops, a channel that focuses on basketball highlights, analysis, and news. Golden Hoops began their YouTube journey in 2010 and has since amassed over 1.6 million subscribers and 700 million total views. Their content ranges from NBA game highlights to player spotlights and even analysis of basketball shoes and gear. According to Social Blade, Golden Hoops earns an estimated $5,200 to $79,700 per month from their YouTube channel, primarily through ads and sponsorships. So whether you're a fan of basketball, football, or any other sport, a sports channel might be the perfect fit for you. 4. Make money online. If you're interested in making money online and sharing your knowledge with others, starting a Make Money Online channel could be the perfect fit for you. One successful example is Everyday Money, a channel that focuses on providing practical tips and advice for making money online. Everyday Money was started in 2021 by a group of online entrepreneurs who wanted to share their knowledge and help others achieve financial freedom. Their videos cover a wide range of topics, from freelancing and affiliate marketing to e-commerce and passive income streams. As of March 2023, Everyday Money has over 265,000 subscribers and over 11 million total views. The channel has gained a loyal following thanks to its engaging and entertaining content, which includes interviews with successful online entrepreneurs, case studies, and tutorials. Everyday Money offers viewers a wealth of knowledge and resources for making money online, along with a supportive community of like-minded individuals who are all striving for financial independence. 5. Cooking. If you have a passion for cooking and sharing delicious recipes, starting a cooking channel may be the perfect fit for you. One successful example is So Yummy, a channel that focuses on providing simple and tasty recipes that anyone can make at home. So Yummy was started in 2016 and has since become one of the most popular food channels on YouTube. Their content covers a wide range of cuisines and cooking techniques, from classic comfort foods to unique and creative dishes. Their engaging and mouthwatering videos have made them a go-to resource for home cooks and foodies alike. As of March 2023, So Yummy has over 9 million subscribers and 3 billion total views. According to reports, So Yummy earns an estimated $280,000 per month from their YouTube channel, primarily through ads and sponsorships. This impressive revenue stream is a testament to the channel's popularity and the high demand for quality cooking content on YouTube. 6. Investing. If you have a passion for investing and sharing financial knowledge, starting an investing channel may be the perfect fit for you. One successful example is Chris Invests, a channel that focuses on providing valuable information about investing, finance, and money management. Chris Invests was started in 2018 by a guy named Chris, who has always been passionate about investing and helping others achieve financial freedom. His videos have a straightforward style and a knack for breaking down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand language. The channel covers a wide range of topics, from beginner-level tutorials on investing to more advanced strategies for building wealth. Chris brings a unique perspective to the table by offering his own insights and experiences as an investor, providing viewers with a fresh and original take on the subject. As of March 2023, Chris Invests has over 14 million total views and counting. According to reports, Chris Invests earns an estimated $15,000 per month from ad revenue alone. 7. Business and money. If you have a knack for business and finance, starting a channel focused on money and entrepreneurship could be a great option for you. One successful example is Magnates Media, a channel that provides practical tips and insights for aspiring entrepreneurs and business owners. Magnates Media was founded in 2018 by a team of entrepreneurs and business experts. Their content covers a wide range of topics related to business and finance, from marketing and sales to investing and entrepreneurship. Their engaging and informative content has made them a popular choice for viewers looking to learn more about how to succeed in business. As of March 2023, Magnates Media has over 800,000 subscribers and over 72 million total views. While it's difficult to know exactly how much a YouTube channel like Magnates Media makes each month, according to Social Blade, their estimated monthly earnings range from $2,400 to $38,000. With the ever-increasing demand for knowledge and information on business and finance, there's never been a better time to start a channel focused on these topics. 8. Cars. Car enthusiasts around the world have turned to YouTube to learn more about their favorite vehicles and keep up with the latest trends in the automotive industry. One successful example of a car-themed channel is Top Cars TV, which features in-depth reviews and test drives of some of the world's most exciting cars. Top Cars TV was started in 2017 and has since amassed over 169,000 subscribers and over 35 million total views. Their content covers a wide range of topics related to cars, including reviews of new and classic models, car comparisons, and coverage of the latest industry events. One of the reasons for Top Cars TV's success is their high-quality production values and engaging hosts. Viewers appreciate the channel's attention to detail and their ability to provide valuable insights into the cars they review. If you're passionate about cars and want to share your knowledge and enthusiasm with others, starting a car-themed channel could be a great fit for you. 9. Aviation. For aviation enthusiasts, YouTube offers a wealth of content on topics ranging from flight simulations to real-world flight experiences. One channel that stands out in the aviation niche is Lucas, which is dedicated to providing viewers with exciting and informative content about all things aviation. Lucas is a YouTube channel that was started in 2015 by a pilot named Lucas, who is passionate about sharing his love of flying with others. His channel features a variety of aviation-themed content, including flight reviews, cockpit tours, and even live streams from the cockpit during flights. The channel's high-quality production values and engaging host have helped it stand out in a crowded field of aviation-themed channels. With over 1.39 million subscribers and over 319 million total views, Lucas has established itself as a go-to destination for aviation enthusiasts looking for quality content. According to Social Blade, Lucas's estimated monthly earnings range from $1,700 to $26,700. If you're interested in aviation and want to share your passion with others, starting an aviation-themed channel could be a great way to do so. 10. Animals. If you have a passion for animals and want to share your knowledge and love for them, starting an animal-themed channel could be a great fit for you. One successful example is Animal Facts, a channel that provides fun and informative facts about a wide variety of animals. Animal Facts was started in 2016 and has since become one of the most popular animal-themed channels on YouTube. Their content covers a wide range of topics related to animals, from the cutest and cuddliest creatures to the wildest and most dangerous. As of March 2023, Animal Facts has over 184K subscribers and 39 million total views. Their engaging and educational videos have made them a go-to resource for animal lovers of all ages. With the popularity of animal-themed content on YouTube, there's never been a better time to start a channel focused on animals. Thank you for watching our video on 10 profitable faceless YouTube channel ideas. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and useful as you consider starting your own channel. So go ahead and take the plunge. Pick a niche that you're passionate about, create engaging and informative content, and most importantly, have fun. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great content.